Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the dimensions and specs for Amazon headline ads. So first of all, what ads are we talking about? Sponsored brands ads. And once you click into that, the product collection advertisement. So once you click into that and you need the specs, there's going to be three aspects to this: your custom image, your logo image, and your headline. First, the custom image, that needs to be a 2000 by 1047 pixel image. It should be under 5 megabytes, a PNG or a JPEG format, and you can't have any text graphics, logos, or editing. It essentially just needs to be a lifestyle image. You can sneak things around, put things on the packaging, make it look like an image, but really Amazon wants it to look like this, essentially just a lifestyle image next to your products. Next, the logo image, 400 by 400 pixels or larger. It doesn't have to be a square. It should be under 1 megabyte. Again, that's a PNG and a JPEG format. And the logo must fill the image and have a white or transparent background, not a colored background. Finally, the headline, up to 50 characters, no URLs and no call to actions allowed. Anything like shop now, learn more here, get the details. Amazon doesn't want to see that. They want a clean advertisement that doesn't look spammy or scammy. So those are your three variables. I hope this was helpful. My name is Manole Petropoulos. I've been helping Amazon brands grow their sales for the last 6 years. If you want a free consultation, feel free to just click the link in the description below. And if this was helpful, please give me a like. I love the feedback. And if you have any questions about headline ads or advertisements in general, just leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.